1300 coming into you from Joe Wright. He's currently one of the executives at the Defense Force Basic Flying Training School, which is located in Tampa. And one of his greatest satisfactions, he says, is to send a young student out for their first solo flight. Just in case you're wondering, they don't do this on their first solo flights. You might find these shoes reclaimed by familiar it's something intentionally bringing the plane into stall position and dropping it down. These are controlled spins that he has to come out on. And it's not something that the average pilot will be able to do. In terms of the engine is more slashed as well. Like a big 500 cubic inch engine. That's nearly 80 liters of engine power using modern terminology. This engine is 150,000 watts. And throughout most of the show, the engine will be pushing that power virtually instantly. Now, keeping in mind that the Rebel 300 weighs 550 kilograms, that is a lot of horsepower. It's something that's only puts to good use, especially in these Now, as you can see, Cody is giving a Rebel 300 a real Now, the multiple shafts and gyroscopic couples that you see as well as the aircraft. So maintenance is absolutely critical. Tony's life literally depends on it.